kaka ne wasewacho kanyo ni en ladies night. Kata obedo mani en ladies night kamano. To bende ok donge chien. Kech gine magi keto ga that night bedo ga ma wonderful. Bas waduo kendo e kidieny mar ariyo kama bende kawuono ni endi wantiere kod nyadendi, wantiere kod jaber, iwacho ni nyaluo nyaonagi, nyaronagi,
the true American height.
Kawuono tiyoge kanyo.
The true American height, the true dollar size. Wallahi.
Ay. Don't go ni dong chien.
I don't. I don't now the China height, the China size.
Wantiere kae ni kod wendo marwa moda ni mondo mi wago godo mbaka odiochieng' ma kawuono ni endi kendo nyadendi ingeni owuok Kenya modhi Afrika
mzima ametembea kote Afrika, Ghana, Uganda, Nigeria. You'll mention them, you'll name them. Say to you when utaziname,
when utazisema. Lakini doti kauto dogi dwa kare mokalo. Okay. Ni sawa. Karibu sana kwenye show. Okay, utasalimiana.
Okay. Salimia jukwaa.
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Briliant Mukanda Marogo, the newly crowned Miss Intercontinental Africa, Miss Intercontinental 6th runner-up, and of course your Miss Intercontinental Kenya. I am very happy to be here today, and I can't wait to share my story and inspire other people watching me today.
Okay.
Nice.
Karibu sana Marogo.
Asante.
So Marogo anatoka wapi?
Natoka Busia. I was born and raised in Busia, but all these other things I've been doing elsewhere. Yeah.
Karibu sana.
Asante.
Ingawa hii vyetu ni ya lugha ya Kijaka, tatuelewa tu kidogo.
Lugha ya
Kijaluo. Lakini tuko na wewe, usijali.
Tutaziongea zote, tunazielewa kote. Tutaongea Kiingereza, tutaongea Swahili. Feel free, you can give us answer with any language.
Okay.
Pia sisi tunazielewa zote. We speak a lot of languages here. We speak German, China, Kiswahili, English, all languages. Sasa hivi utakuwa comfortable, wewe utaongea. Sivyo?
Okay, Marogo. How did you feel when you had your name being called international? Intercontinental.
Well, it still is. It still is an honor. I felt great. I felt proud of myself, of looking back at the preparations and everything, and finally seeing everything coming to place and things just working out. I felt really good, really proud of myself, and proud to have represented my country.
Nice. The competition was among how many people were you? The runners were?
We were 57 contestants.
Oh, from different countries?
Yeah. Countries all over the continent, from Asia, Europe, Africa. A lot of contestants. Yeah.
Ah, nice. So, Monica, if I can ask another question.
Yeah.
What does you wear or feel when they put the crown on your head?
Like a queen. You feel like a queen because you're being crowned to be a queen. And for me, this crown, the Miss Intercontinental Africa crown, it has so much power, and I feel like it's a representation of me, my story, and where I come from, my culture, my roots, and everything.
Okay. Yeah. What was going through your mind at that moment?
Honestly, I didn't expect. I was doing my best, yes, but I didn't expect to make it, to be the newly crowned. But I was like, okay, my work is finally showing. Someone has actually seen that I've put so much work, so much effort in this, and I was so happy. Yeah.
How was the feeling at that moment?
Surreal.
Maybe she cried. Normally I see ladies, they cry. Did you cry?
I internally, I went back in my room, I did cry.
That was nice. Because you see, since another question. Since today, it's Women Crush Wednesday.
Yeah.
As a woman, you are maybe you've not given birth, but we are women. So, how do you feel as a woman doing this in different countries, intercontinental? Because there's some other people who are upcoming. What can you tell them, and how did you feel? How can you explain or express your feelings to them?
Representing Kenya on an international stage, as I said, with more than 50 contestants from different places. It can be intimidating, but you know, preparation, determination, resilience. I had to do it for myself, for my people, for my country. And any advice I'd give any person watching me today and who wants to follow the same path or the same journey.
Like me here.
Yes,
What's a category? What's a category?
yeah, yes. You know, today in today's industry, they don't really look at body statistics, but I think you'd fit more in plus size category.
I told you.
With-
I told you.
So any advice I'd give any person watching me today is there is so much power in preparation and self-belief. You need to be brave enough to use your story, your platform and your voice to uplift other people in your communities, and you need to dare to try out those dreams that feel big or scares you, because you never know if that's something that will change your future or not.
What do you mean by dare?
You need to dare, you need to go in spaces that scare you.
Okay.
Yeah. You need to push yourself in rooms with people who are inspiring, people who are more intelligent than you so that you can learn. You need to dare.
So, my next question is, how does the achievement from you mean to Kenyans?
Well, it's a very big thing, considering I was the first Kenyan woman to be crowned as Miss Intercontinental. Since it started 53 years ago. So this is a history. I made history, and yeah, they are proud of me. I'm very sure.
Does
everyone
it
is proud.
involve government too? Whatever you are doing, is it maybe agencies, or it also involves government being in?
Not really, but you can use the government as sponsors. But it's a franchise owned by an individual, so it doesn't really involve the government. It's just a person purchases the franchise and then takes a model to an international stage.
So, Brilliant. Ulianza kufanya modeling which year?
2020. Immediately after high school. Yeah. Immediately after high school, I used to tell my mom, I want to try this. And I had so much passion to do it. So I went to my first competition. I did do well because, you know, I did not...
It's a journey. It's a journey.
I had not trained. I had not prepared myself mentally, physically for the competition. But then after that very competition, my mom saw the potential in me and she put it in herself to make sure that I follow this dream, and I also put in all the work. And it has been an inspiring journey, journey full of growth. I've made friends, I've learned more things about myself, and it's amazing.
Okay, Brilliant. So kama wewe Brilliant hivi, from niseme ukiwa mdogo, ulijuaje kama wewe utakuwa like
Miss Monica, what do you mean by
Sikiona tu hivi anajua.
Anajijua.
We had back in the days, I think it was KTN, or I can't remember, but there was a kids catwalk show. So I really used to love the show. It was on Sundays, if I can remember very well. I really used to watch the shows, and then the Victoria's Secret shows. I'm telling you, Mom, one day I'm going to be on the runway, and yeah.
So tena swali nyingine. Okay, right now whatever you're doing unapata uko social media, si ndio? Unataka watu waone. How do you handle social media with the real life impact?
For me personally, it's not a difficult thing. I balance it very well. I
The
make
pressure.
sure I'm a very strong girl. I don't let that those social media things get over my personal life, because unajua vitu una post social media na you in real life might be two different things. You post what you want people to see, or you post what you want or how you want people to perceive you. So yeah, I don't really let the social media pressure get to me.
Iko sawa, at least inaimiza wengine.
Yeah.
Kuna wenye wanaogopa ku handle hiyo pressure social media, like unapata mtu saizi anaweza comment body size, height, nini, but at least hata mimi umenihimiza personally. Yeah, normally mimi najionanga mimi ndio mrefu, nikitembea na money maker nasema yeye watu watasema nini. So at least
from today you know where you belong.
Yeah.
So Brilliant, what are the challenges that you underwent while going for your crown?
Pressure, as you have talked about it. Pressure is one thing that inafanya mtu unaweza forget why you're there. And knowing that you're representing a country on an international stage, and it's not just a country, it's a country, and you have a lot of different people, different women who are also strong, they are intelligent, they're also representing and chasing after one crown. So it was not easy. There were a lot of challenges, but I managed them, and I'm so happy.
You're so happy.
Yeah.
What about your parents?
They are very proud. They are very proud of me.
Ukianza walikuwa nakwambia nini?
Nikianza like
Ukianza you are modeling from the very start.
My parents have been very, very supportive since day one of my journey. Very supportive. Yeah.
Okay.
Na umewahi kuwa na hiyo fikra ya kufanya job nyingine apart from modeling?
I am an IT support team.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Modeling is not, it's just like a side thing. I do it. It's like a talent. You use your talent to earn. So modeling is that. I graduated last year, so I have a career outside modeling.
So what is your career?
Technology. Yeah.
Okay.
I work in the IT support team.
So you work, you are employed. So how do you balance them? Sometimes umeambiwa tuko na nini kesho Nairobi, unafaa ku prepare, you're supposed to fly. Unazibalance aje hizi vitu mbili, your employment na your other side?
My job is a remote job. I can work from anywhere. Yeah, I can work from anywhere. I don't have to be in the office. As long as I have my computer.
You can work anywhere.
Anywhere.
Okay. Who has been your biggest supporter?
My mother.
My mother. Is she watching?
Yes, she's watching. I tell her to watch. I am. Can I say something to her?
Yes.
Big up your mom.
Well, I am so grateful for this, for your support throughout my journey, and I usually tell her how grateful I am, and words are beyond explanation. Love you.
Mbona hiyo love inatoka pole pole?
Itoka kwa sauti kubwa. How do you plan to use your how do you call it, crown to impact the society, or I mean the Africa and society as a whole?
Yeah, you know, modeling goes beyond beauty. It goes with impact. Like a real queen unakuwa defined with what are some of the things you can do in your society to uplift someone or impact someone in a positive way. For me, I have advocacies. I have things I'm advocating for. Youth empowerment, education, and digital inclusion. I'm using this title to make sure that every young person and feel motivated, empowered, inspired by my story. If I did it, then you can do it. Yeah.
Nice.
What message do you have for young girls who are watching you right now?
Believe in yourself. There is so much power in believing in yourself, believing in your dreams, being consistent and disciplined to work towards the dream to achieve them. Yeah. You have to believe in yourself.
So Monica, maybe this one might be so maybe funny or anything. Okay, ni nini unaweza surprise na yo watu, like the way they know you, actually the way I've known you, you seem to be so calm.
I am.
So ni nini ile unaweza surprise na yo mtu, hata your mom aseme, oh, I didn't know my daughter is like this.
Well, I'd say
anything that unaweza fanya unique, in a unique way.
well, I go sea diving, if that's something. I do dive.
Oh,
Yeah.
you dive? It's scary.
I know.
No.
So Brilliant. What does representing Africa on a global platform mean to you?
Well, it means being authentic to myself, to my roots, to my culture, and being able to celebrate my values and use the story that I get from that platform to inspire other people. So representing Africa to me means it is an achievement, not representing Africa, representing Kenya. I represented Kenya and then got the Intercontinental crown. So representing Kenya felt really, really good, an achievement. Nilikuwa able to walk out of my comfort zone and do things that scares me. That's why I'm telling every person, you need to be brave enough to walk in rooms that scares you, do things that you think you're not capable of doing. Yeah.
So what was that maybe scared you and you just went for it?
For me, honestly, public speaking. Even standing here today, it takes a lot of courage. It takes a lot of courage because I know a lot of people are watching. And being here alone is, I'm out of my comfort zone.
Yeah,
I'm out of my comfort zone.
Oh, nice. How do you define African beauty of today?
Well, African beauty of today, I'd say, is being authentic to yourself. Being authentic in that when you go to a diverse environment, you are not intimidated by other people or their cultures. You will be able to remain true to yourself. You'll be able to remain true to your values. And yeah, just be yourself. 100%.
Okay. Aha! Hey, Doti. Hey.
Doga mwangeta. Atukusengenya. Tunaongea na viewers. Monimeka. Doga marwa mapile chande.
Hapana, tuwezi rudi huko saa hizi.
Umesema umezoea huko.
Hapana, nilikuwa nasema tu yani nataka
you can get here. No. Hata kama ni hits hawezi. Monica, I'm not criticizing you. But
angeiga ginyego. Okay, Brilliant. Sasa nimerudi kwako sasa. Ukiwa pale nyumbani ama like venye umekuja hapa saa hizi ni heels ama sandals?
It depends. It depends with the occasion. Most of the time. Home kwa nyumba. Well, kwa nyumba. Kwa nyumba of a house warmers. I don't do heels in the house. Just when I go out. Yeah. They are tiresome. No one wants to talk about it, but over heels 24/7, unachoka, now you can fracture your ankle. So,
oh.
How many hints?
6.
6 now, 6 ndio ile ya mwisho. Kuna more. Yeah. You can do that more. Ama 6 ndio mwisho yako.
For me, 6. I'm comfortable with 6.
Okay.
Hata hii 6 mimi siwezi. Traditional wear or evening?
Yeah. But
ina depend na occasion. So ukienda ngambo maybe for the occasion and the functions, ukifika huko unapata dishes are different. Now how do you survive with the different dishes? Maybe hakuna ile ya Kenyan pale ama it's there.
No.
So it's like your favorite dish.
Yeah.
Well, at first nilikuwa natafuta ugali
Wapi? Out of Kenya ama?
Ako nje.
we went, the competition was in Egypt, so you know Egypt food is not Kenyan food. But I had a section, it was a Chinese restaurant section. They had rice, at least I was familiar with rice. I was familiar with rice, so that's what I usually went for. Kila siku rice
Every day.
Yeah.
Kuna nyama, imagine, I'm trying to imagine.
Kunazo matusa zimepikwa different.
Spices ziko kila kitu.
Everything, but the good thing they had variety. You just choose what you're comfortable to have.
Did you find that ugali? Napata. Ulimisa na?
Veggies.
They were there, but you just know those.
Sukuma mbichi. Cabbage mbichi. Afadhali cabbage mbichi kako sukuma mbichi. Cabbage ya kalapapo.
Exactly.
Brilliant. One word that described you.
I'm a queen.
Oh. And here you are.
Yeah.
You are. You're a queen.
Thank you.
Okay. Nilikuwa nadhani ungekuja nazo zote, lakini naona tu ya Miss Intercontinental.
Hey, hiyo ndio ako hapo saizi. Kwa sasa hivi tunaongelea hii.
Lakini unajua pale tuliambiwa ni Miss Intercontinental Africa,
Kenya,
Miss Intercontinental Kenya 2025, Miss Intercontinental
Sixth
runner-up.
Hey. Enyewe mrembo umetembea. Mimi sijui nikitembea nitafika.
What is your main advocacy?
Empowerment. Yeah. I empower young people. I go in schools. I do community outreach programs to build a more inclusive society and empower young people that they need to believe in themselves. They need to go after their dreams, even if they scare you. You really need to go and follow them. So yeah, empowerment. I do visit schools, children's homes. We do a lot of different activities, collaborating with other models and organizations. So yeah, empowerment is the main, and also education and digital inclusion.
Yeah.
Kuna swali na niwasha ama bado ni hiyo?
Ongea tu kwanza.
Kuna swali na niwasha. Ukiwa crowned Miss Intercontinental, theme ilikuwa ni gani? Like sio theme ile ya mavazi, unapata kuna wale wenye mavazi pia it's okay. Kuna wale wenye wanasema today ni siku ya environmental, sasa hiyo maybe culture, hiyo ndio wataongelea. Siku yenyewe mlikuwa theme ilikuwa ni gani?
Power of beauty.
Power of beauty. Yes. Ukaimagine kukuwa the most.
Now for me, well, crown according to continents, and from the continent of Africa, I was number 1. So kuna the real winner. First, the winner came from Russia, and then kuna first runner up, second runner up, third, fourth, fifth. I came 6th.
Yeah. Nice. So your 6th ikafall Africa.
Yes.
Okay.
Because it's top 7, and then in the top 7 they won 1 per continent.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Doti, niende na messages mag Facebook ka ponin tire ngama nyalo bedo kod wach gi Miss Intercontinental.
Okay. I'm checking. Nangio. Rango.
Okay, what impact have you already started? Like na hiyo nini yako?
Well, I am working on the education empowerment program. I am going next week. I'm planning next week to go to a school back in my home because you know charity begins at home, right? So kama watakuwa wametoka half term, I'm not so familiar. I'm still researching and finding out. I'm going to a school for an empowerment program with the kids, and yeah, I'm sure it's going to be fun.
I think Facebook we don't have. I think tuko na watu wenye wanatuma salamu Raf Ataf Japicha watu kachana yo yego Jono Tunge Kanseme Kadela Arwako Velma Yeko alafu tuko na Akinyi Eva anasema MC Okunjerema na Deni. Okay, Mako Chot Tiyo Dekanye Ajali Jarongo Monica Wita tuko na Ajali Jarongo still Kawono Ujobe Manadenieri. Wakisema Ujobe nasema leo tuko warembo.
Mwambie tuko na Miss Continetal.
I think hizo ndio niko nazo.
Okay. Wacha niangalia hapa kwa YouTube nione kama kuna feedback yoyote. Juu ninaambiwa hapo kuna feedback from YouTube channel. Okay. Mwingine anasema hapo anaitwa Junior Adamson. Marogo, I'm super proud of you. You have always been a strong queen. Asante sana. Maybe anakujua.
Follow. Huyu ni social media yako pale juu ameng'aa. Sasa lazima watu wako wanamjua. Ni wewe ni celeb.
But nilijaribu kumtafuta, nilishindwa. Kwa Facebook, TikTok, ama nilikuwa na
Insta, IG.
Niko zote.
Okay, utatupea.
Okay.
Nilikuwa nafanya posting jana, nilijaribu sana kutag haikuji.
But Facebook situmii jina, natumia Briliant.
Hapo ndio sasa ulitujua. Ni sawa. Swali lako la mwisho Doti.
Okay, actually ameimiza watu big up mama yake na friends ndio. So any something last that maybe unaweza ambia wale wenye wanaanza chini. Maybe with your journey when you make what can you just maybe inspire them again for the last time?
For an upcoming model, I'll tell you that rejection is redirection. When one agency doesn't take you in, try out the next one. See ukienda ku apply and then the first agency says no, you don't meet the standards you're looking for, unaachia hapo. You need to try again and again until it works out for you.
Kuna mambo wasichana wanapitia sana pale kwa agency, unapata mkubwa pale ni mwanaume. Kuna hizi vitu wanadada wanapitia na kwambia mimi nataka unipe hii ndio uingie. Do they is this still happening?
Yeah, those are things that not just in modeling but all over. And that's why I always tell people you need as an individual you need to have boundaries or values. You need to know utaenda up to what limits to get what you want. So yeah, but usidanganywe ati you need to give me this and I'll give you that. Just work hard and everything will fall in place.
Okay. What's your dream?
My dream? Oh my God, I have so many dreams.
Sema mbili kubwa.
The biggest one.
One dream is to tour all African countries with my crowd, of course. And another dream is to open and run my fashion brand. I'm a designer as well. I do a lot of different things. So I also manifest to have my own brand running.
How can the viewers support your initiative?
Well, they can follow me on my social media because I do post updates there. And supporting, of course, ukienda mahali, we do need different supports, maybe mentorship. If you are someone who can mentor young people or inspire them, I would love to have you on the table.
Watu wa nyumbani wanakuona Busia?
Yeah.
Wanakujua, they know you?
Sijakaa huko sana, but I'm sure they do.
Okay. Hata wenye walikukroni hivi maybe
they do, yeah.
Okay. You can tell them something.
Maybe ni wachache ndio wanamjua.
Kwa wachache, they will pass the information to you.
Okay. Yeah. Your last word.
Okay. Thank you so much for walking me through this journey. I am happy to have represented myself, my country, my people, and my culture on that international stage. I learned a lot, and I can't wait to share my story with everyone. Yeah.
Remember, today is Wednesday, and it's a day of ladies. So what do you have for ladies today?
Ladies, first of all, we are very beautiful. We need to appreciate that. And as a lady, jiamini. Jiamini. Mtu make a random comment out there and watch it iku pull down mentally. Intimidate. Exactly. You have to be so self-confident in yourself and go after what you want. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
No, like initially, mimi nilikuwa najua ukitaka kukua wa runners up kwa nini hiyo urembo, like the way I used to define the beauty, nilikuwa naambiwa ufai kukua na some marks, ufai kukua na malama.
Before tumalize, kuna comment imeingia hapa tu sasa hivi, wacha tu nisome. Amesema she was our Miss Maseno University 2022. Were you?
Yes. I was.
So at least there, when I was talking about beauty, I'll define what beauty is according to her. At least mimi nimekuwa encouraged with whatever you are telling us here. Sio ati beauty inamaanisha tu the appearance, sio urembo ya appearance, but ina involve vitu mingi. At least hata mtazamaji pia amepata hiyo. So people define beauty in different ways.
Ni sasa hivi tu ndio nimetoka hapa kusema kuna maybe mzazi akona mtoto ana watch na maybe angependa kujoin modeling ama kwa venye tu amekuona, unaona. Like sasa wewe okay, tumesema hapo tumemaliza. Nani alikuinspire?
You know, when nikiuliza swali huwa nasema I inspired myself.
Yeah.
Because I've grown up watching the catwalk shows, the Victoria's Secret shows, na nilikuwa najiambia I need to build that runway one day. But yeah, I've inspired myself, honestly. I've inspired myself from
so in modeling hakuna mwenye alikuinspire?
Kuna, but in my journey
later on,
yes. Like recently we had a Miss Universe competition last year, and there is a lady called Olivia Yase. She's from Continetal. Yeah, she's really an inspiration.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Tuna neno sasa mimi ungeni
wacha tamaa. Tuliongelea kitu inaitwa tamaa.
Nikiangalia tu hivi.
Huwezi tembea nayo. Relax.
Umesikia amesema ninaweza.
Unaweza.
Hey, ankles.
No. It's like a skill, and that skill is something that can be learned anytime, anywhere.
Monica, at least tungetengeneza runway hapa.
Tungeanza tu sahi.
Tutembe. When you shaanza na left, definitely you are going to fall down.
Right foot always.
Naanza na wapi?
Right. I'll shake a left.
Hivi?
Yes.
Alafu
unaanza kutembea.
Hivi?
Oh my.
Asante sana. Nejo neno mekwa dutoteka bora bautiere manaka kane wasingo wendo sebedo kake ndo wasego godopa kama ber kabisa. Ne wabitolo kanyendo mar ni ponono nine ingi penjo. Iora ora penjo ni kaini nejo godutote moneno wanya kagye koloni ogonu ero.